Good morning to all. Now, today we'll discuss about the difference between distance and displacement. So, what's written here? Distance and displacement are the same. Let's find out. So, clearly you can see we have drawn a path. Okay, O A, and it's the distance in kilometers, the length covered in kilometers, and there is a difference of 5 kilometer in each point. Between each point there is a difference of 5 kilometer, that you can say the distance from O to C is 20 kilometer, from C to point B is 40 kilometer, and from B to A is 55 kilometer. And O to A, the distance is 55 kilometer. Clear? Why I mean to say its distance? Because it is the path covered by an object. Clear? So first of all, let's take a very simple case so that you can understand actually what is distance and what is displacement. Okay? First case is that suppose the object was here, suppose is here, and he is running from O to A. He is running from O to, he reached to A, okay, from O to A, he has covered certain distance. Then again he came back in a straight line back to O. That means first O to A and get back from A to point O. Clear? Now you think how much distance it have covered actually. So from O to A, you can clearly see in this line that the distance covered is 55 kilometers. So OA is equal to 55 kilometer. And as you know, the person again came back from A to O. That means you can say AO. Clear? A is equal to, again, what is that? 55 kilometers, clearly seen here. Okay? 55 kilometer. So now, what is the question asked? Question asked is, what is the total distance covered by this human being? The total distance covered is clearly OA plus AO. That means 55 plus 55 kilometer. That means 110 kilometers. What is this? This is the distance, total distance covered. Clear? And now, as you know, the person moved from O to A and then back from A to O. That means the distance is 110 kilometer. And what is the shortest distance? That means the person came back to the initial position or the origin from where we have started. That means the displacement here is, that is known as displacement. Shortest distance is known as displacement. That means it came back to the original position, and what's written here? It's 0. Now what is the displacement? Shortest distance covered by the human being from O to A and getting back from A to O, that is clearly written here, that is 0 kilometer. That means 0 is the displacement and 110 is the distance covered. Clear? For the same case. So displacement here is 0 kilometer. So now you can see the clear difference between the distance and displacement. And yes, they are